In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off automatic downloads on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select Settings. On the left side here, you want to select Privacy and Security. And then underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. And then scrolling down, expand additional permissions and select where it says automatic downloads. Select don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.